Alright, so this is what we were playing around with. So we got the Mossberg Night Train 2, 308 Winchester. We got a Ruger semi-automatic 22. Let's see, we got the Mossberg 500 Tri-Rail. This is a Mossberg 22 semi-automatic. And Marlin 17 HMR. And that's it. Oh, look at that. Why'd you look at that?
Oh, you just walk at it.
Okay, so this is our next target. It is a broken PS2. Repeat, it does not work in any way, so yeah, there's no use getting it repaired. So just gonna shoot it up. Alright, so this is a 17 HMR. Let's see, where did it hit? Oh, is that it right there? There's the entry point. Let's see what it looks like on the back. Huh, where'd it go?
Didn't exit?
I guess not.
Well,
Would you look at that? Let's see if this one went through. Alright, so there's an entry point. I see smoke.
yeah.
And
No exit.
it's starting to fracture there a bit.
Yeah.
It did not go all the way through though. Good old PS2. Alright, this is the 308 Winchester.
Definitely went through.
Let's see. Oh, we got smoke. A lot of smoke actually. So that's the entry point right there.
So small.
Oh, it took the spray paint off of it. Oh, it's a little bit broken. And a pretty big exit one.
Probably still work.
It's a PS2, come on. Yeah. What's this? Hard drive or?
Yeah.
Oh, expansion bay. Must be for memory. We'll just put that back.
No, expansion bay, isn't that for the internet?
Oh yeah, that's right, because they didn't come with internet, did they? Okay, another shot from the 308. Let's see. Alright, so we've got quite a bit of smoke again. Oh, the entry point this time is bigger. Right there. Let's see the back. Oh.
Okay, there we go. I guess there's weak points.
Even the PS2 has its weaknesses. Alright, this is the 17 HMR again. You grab it right up the middle.
Very good.
Okay, let's see the damage.
Oh, you popped that thing up.
So we got a few more entry points. One down here as well. Oh, yeah, right down there,
yeah.
bomb. I think it came through here.
I don't think so.
No, it doesn't look like anything came through there. Let's see. Oh yeah, we got a little bit more of the internals coming out. Awesome.
Kill shot.
Kill shot, kill shot. Alright, this is dual semi-automatic 22s.
Ready. Let's go. Yippee-ki-yay.
Yeah! Okay, let's get a bit closer, see what we did. Uh-oh, what's that? What is that? It's, oh.
Okay.
Piece of plastic, that's it. Okay, so looks like we didn't get a whole lot in the front before it fell down, but then we kinda blew out the guts. Poor PS2. Alright, so we shook it up a bit and it seems like almost everything fell out of it. It's pretty hollow now. There we go, ready to go. Alright, and this is the 12 gauge shotgun.
Might not last.
Whoops. Let's see. Oh, blew out more of the back, and let's see what the front looks like.
It's kind of bent in half.
It's broken just a bit now. Oh my.
We'll get one more shot in it.
Yeah. One more shot. Well, is he even going to stay up now?
You're standing it on the wrong end.
Oh, over there. Hold there. Yeah, let's hold this one.
I better hit this.
Okay, good to go. Oh, hear the echo in the back.
See, I didn't shoot it very well.
Oh well, still fell over. Oh, awesome.
We have more technology.
Perfect. I think we can put 2 more in.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, totally. Chop it in half.
Yeah.
Okay, getting close with the shotgun this time. Hold that for a second. I'll put my glasses on. I don't want anything coming and hitting me in the eyes. There we go.
Excelente!
Very nice. I'll grab the camera. Let's see. Okay, well it is completely destroyed now. Look at that.
Plug it in.
And it might still work, you never know.
Oh wait, it was broken before.
Let's see. And there's just shrapnel everywhere. Hey, good to go. And there we go, it's in half. There's the one piece, there's another, and that piece too.
Now we gotta clean it up.
Yeah, time to clean up.